you think is the most important trait to have when you're speaking on camera? It's the same whether you're giving a presentation to a room full of people, making a video, or talking on television. It's a word that's used a lot these days, and it's the #1 trait that helps people confidently connect with their audience. You must be authentic. It's important for you to be yourself and be true to your own personality and character. You can't fake it. You may think you're getting away with it, but people will see right through you, and they'll be less likely to trust you. Instead of acting like someone you're not, be the very best version of yourself. You'll need to get used to seeing and hearing yourself on camera to feel comfortable and authentic. So, get out a camera or your phone and practice. If you don't love what you see, and you probably won't at first, choose one thing you want to improve. Maybe it's lowering your voice, blinking your eyes less, or smiling more. Then, practice that one thing over and over again until you feel better about it. Then, choose something else and practice improving that. Continue doing this, and over time, you will definitely see a big improvement. If you feel excited, passionate, or sad about something, don't be afraid to show that on camera. Genuine emotion will help your audience relate to you on a human level, and they'll trust you more. So let your personality and feelings come through. Just make sure your tone is appropriate for the subject matter. And don't expect to be perfect. Perfection is not the goal here. The goal is being the best possible version of you. To be a stellar spokesperson, you must be true to yourself. So make a commitment to be authentic.